Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This tutorial we're going to learn how to use NotebookLM and Google Gemini to create fantastic presentations like this, and like this. These are clearly created by an AI with the images, and they are editable, which means you can edit them to your liking. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Let's start by accessing NotebookLM. You can access it by coming to your browser and typing in notebooklm.google, and it will bring you over here. Now you can just go ahead and click on try NotebookLM. Of course, you have to log in with your account, and once you're here, you can start creating from scratch. Alright, so once we're here, we can say discover sources because I want to give you the title. So let's say, can you give me content on the future of workforce in Nigeria with the advent of AI? Okay, so we have enabled fast research, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit on enter for this, and let's see what NotebookLM is going to come back with. So it has identified some key sources, about 7 different sources, and you can go ahead and import the sources into Google Gemini chat. So you can just go ahead and click on import these sources. So I've reviewed all of them, and you can see it is reading all of them, and then from there it's going to give us an outline or a quick summary into what these sources are all about. Okay, so this is what we are going to work with. It has created that from the 10 sources, it has this basic summary of what it tells, and you can see everything in here. Now, instead of me to use this and create a presentation directly, I want to ask it to create like an outline into the presentation. Okay, can you generate an outline for a PowerPoint presentation? Please make it one idea per slide and keep it minimal in terms of text, and make it very friendly with relevant images. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit on enter to this, and let's see what this AI tool is going to come back with. And now, as you can see, here's a minimal friendly PowerPoint outline for your presentation on AI in Nigeria, focusing on one core idea per slide. Okay, so you can see the title, AI and Nigeria's future, unlocking opportunities. Okay, so you can see the details, slide 1, the content, the kind of image suggestion, and so on. Slide 5, slide 6, slide 7, slide 8, and up to the slide 9, 10, 11 to 13. Starts giving us up to about 18, 20 slides. Okay, so what we need is just to copy the whole thing, and this is where Gemini now comes in. So let's go to Google Gemini and let's start a new chat. Now over here, we can ask it, can you generate a PowerPoint presentation from this outline? So you can hit on shift and then enter, then paste in your outline, everything in detail that we've copied from NotebookLM. And mind you, you have to make sure you're on the canvas. If not, it's not going to work. Okay, so you select the format and then select the canvas, and you can make this fast, you can make it thinking, and then you can just go ahead and click on enter, and then this is going to go through everything and provide you with a very fantastic PowerPoint slide for your presentation. Alright, as you can see, it has finished generating AI in Nigeria's future, unlocking opportunity for giant of Africa. So this is it, and let's look at some of the slides. We said minimal text, and that's why it has given us minimal text. And you can see one idea at a time. It has generated about 24 different slides. Okay, so depending on you, it has even given us the image sources that it has picked for our own slide. So we can download this directly. The download is going to be PDF. Okay, so let's save this and let's open this so you can see the presentation. You can see everything step by step. Everything is captured in detail. Okay, one idea at a time. So this is next level. Alternatively, you can decide to share the slides. You can copy the link and share it with anyone, maybe on your socials, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and Reddit, or you can share with someone and then you can be part of the presentation, or you can have access to the presentation. And the best exporting format that I like is the fact that you can export to Google Slides over here, and you can edit the content directly on your own. Alright, so you can see it over here. It's been created, so you can open slides and it's going to open on Google Slides. Okay, so you can see each and every section of it is editable. If this is what you want, you can actually directly select and edit the content accordingly. Okay, so you want to change this, for example, to something white, you can as well do that. Okay, so very easily you can adjust any section, you can replace even the images and so on. depending on your choice. So at the end of this, if you want, you can download this in PowerPoint. So you can say load in PPTX, and you can save it and have access to it in your Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can edit also accordingly. So this is actually how to use Google Gemini and NotebookLM to create a fantastic presentation for yourself. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.